Hello guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And like I said in the title, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to actually create your own personal Payoneer account. And now, what is the purpose of this Payoneer account, especially for Nigerians, we Nigerians? With this Payoneer account, you're able to own your own bank account there in the United States as well as the UK. So you wouldn't have any issue of, okay, well, how can I even receive dollars in my account? All these issues of, oh, we're in Nigeria, we cannot send money in dollars and the rest. So with this Payoneer account, you having this Payoneer account, you're able to actually receive dollars into your account and also UK currencies and other foreign currencies. So that's why I'm going to be, teaching you guys in this video how to actually create one. Okay, so before we proceed, if you're actually new to my YouTube channel here, kindly subscribe because I do upload daily videos about money making online, business ideas, business strategies, and many more other contents concerning money making business online. So without wasting much more time, let's actually start registering. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do right now is click on register. So I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So you want to click on register. Okay, so I'm going to be using one of my bot accounts to actually show you guys how to do this. Okay, so now as you can see, let's find the right account for your needs. Okay, please select the option that describes you the best. So it depends on you. If you're a freelancer, okay, if you're an online seller, affiliate marketer, or individual, anyone. As for me, I'm going to go for an individual for this. Okay, so now, what are you looking for? Do you want to get paid by international clients or marketplaces? Do you just want to send and receive money between friends and families, or you want to order a prepaid card? So I am going to go for get paid by international clients or marketplaces. We're actually in Nigeria, and this is actually one of the key reasons why you might need a dollar or UK account. So we're going to go for get paid by international clients or marketplaces. Okay. So as you can see, the right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider. Okay. So what you want to do right now is click on register over here. So they are actually suggesting because of what I just picked right now. Okay. So it's not a problem. So let's proceed. So now, okay, we're going to click on select your type of business, individual. Okay. So now you just want to enter your first name over here. So I'm going to go for Kid Cass. Okay. And last name, I'm going to go for Kissington. Okay, your email address, you want to input your email address. Okay, so I'm going to input mine. So you want to re-enter the email account again. Okay. Okay, then your date of birth. So I'm just going to enter 1. Then I'm going to change the year to something old. It's just a sample, but when you're filling this, actually you need to put your exact date of birth. Okay, so let's proceed. So now please enter the code below. They want to ensure they're actually a real person to capture. Okay, so you just want to enter the code. So we have J, A, J again, F, then H. Okay, so now you want to confirm by clicking next. Okay, so as you can see, now we're moving to the contact details. Okay, so now we're in Nigeria. I'm a Nigerian. Okay, so depending on whichever country you're watching this from or whichever country you are and you want to open your Payoneer account. So as for me, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to leave it here in Nigeria. Then you want to enter your street and number. So I'm just going to enter Bot Street. Okay, as for you, you need to enter your exact street. So I'm going to say Garage Street number 1. Okay, so more address optional, so I'm going to skip this. Then city, I'm going to say let's say Lagos Island. Okay, then postal or zip code, I'm going to go for a random one. I know so many, but in case you don't know your zip code, all you need to do is to come here, open a new web page, and search for your country or state's zip code. For example, I'm looking for Lagos Island now, so I'm just going to say Lagos Island zip code. Okay, so it's going to come out. So automatically I'm just going to copy this, as you can see. So 101.223. Okay, so I'm going to come here and say 101.223. So now what you want to do over here is to input your phone number. Okay, and then You want to click on send code so they can verify this your mobile number. So you click on send code. Okay, so now you just want to check your phone. You want to confirm they sent it to your phone. Okay, so you want to check your phone. So now they've said they just sent my verification code right now. I won't believe you all had the sound, so I'm just going to enter it over here. So 506, okay, 537. Okay, so now you want to click on next. You want to click on next. And now I'm moving to the security details. This Payoneer account is actually the major reason why I'm even advertising this Payoneer account for you. Is aside, being a Nigerian, the difficulties of actually getting a dollar account, it is very secure. That is another advantage of this Payoneer sign up. They take security very important. Okay, so now what you want to do now is to re-enter your password. Okay, re-enter your password. Security question. So I'm just going to pick okay, let's look for something which was, you just want to pick any question over here that you can actually remember. So which was the first foreign country you visited? Let me say United States. My answer is going to be United States. Okay, and then ID details. Okay, Nigeria ID. Now you want to input your NIN number. Okay, you want to input your NIN number. Okay, so I'm going to enter my NIN number. If you don't have an NIN, account or NIN ID, you can actually input your passport or your driving license, whichever. But as for me, I have my NIN over here, so I'm just going to enter that. So now they want to reconfirm again that you're actually a real person. So you want to enter the code below over here. So we have DCDWR. Okay, so now I want to click on next. Okay, as you can see, we're almost done. So now the very last thing you want to do here is to enter your bank, your Bank of Nigeria, your local bank in Nigeria. So as for me, I'm going to go for GTB. It depends on whichever bank you're using. I'm going to go for GTB. Okay, so now I'm going to leave this over here. Then you want to enter your account number, your normal local account number. So I'm just going to enter mine real quick. Okay, so you're going to agree to the terms, agree to pricing, fees, and the rest, and then you want to submit. So guys, as you can see now, they're saying congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Okay, so now the next thing you want to do right now is you actually need to wait for them to send you a confirmation in your email. Okay, the next thing you want to do right now is to go to your email. Okay, as you can see, they've already sent me a message to verify my email. So I'm just going to click on this. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that. As you can see, thank you. You successfully verified your email. Okay, so the next thing you want to do after this is to close this and then go back to login. Okay, go back to their platform and sign in. Okay, you want to sign in. Okay, now you enter your email and your password. So I'm going to enter my email. Okay, and your password. Okay, so you want to sign in. So as you can see now, immediately you sign in, they're going to send you a verification code to your mobile number again. Okay, so you want to click on turn on. Okay, so now you want to enter that code they're going to send to you. Okay, so you're going to enter the code. I'm actually waiting for it right now. As you can see, I'm doing it live, so you can see it's actually legit and it's actually the best you can actually use. Okay, so they just sent the code, so I'm just going to submit it right now. So as you can see, copy and save the following recovery code to a safe place. So you want to copy this code. What is the importance of this code? In case you actually lose your account, probably someone hacked you, something bad happens, but you just want to keep this. So I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C, and then you can actually open a notepad. Okay, notepad, and then you paste this over here. And then you save it, Ctrl S. You save it as something you can remember, important. Important. Okay, important payo. So I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, in case something happens, you never can tell. So that's the reason why they're actually sending this to you. Okay, so now you want to click on OK. You want to click on OK. Okay, so as you can see, we are now in the home page for Payoneer. So the next thing I want to do right now is to, you can see we have update your security settings. Like I told you earlier on, they take their security very important. So now you want to click on update now. Okay, so now you want to re-enter some questions and answers. So which was the first foreign country you visited? So I'm going to enter what I entered before. Okay, what is the first name of your grandmother? So I'm just going to form, it's a bot account, so that's why I'm actually doing it this way. As for you, you need to enter something you can actually remember. Okay, so I'm going to click on change. Okay, so I'm going to click on change. So now they're going to resend me a code. So now I'm sure you guys had that sound, so I'm actually going to enter it again. Okay, and then submit. Okay, so that's all. Now you just want to click on done, and as you can see, you're going to click on let's go, and now you are in. So congratulations on reaching here. You now have your bank account for UK and USD. So no matter what you're signing up in, maybe PayPal or AdSense, whichever, you can actually use this account to receive payment in dollars or pounds, euros, whichever currency. So this is actually where you can find your bank account right now. You just want to come to bank and cards. Okay, you want to click on bank and cards. Okay, so as you can see, now you can see your GT Bank account, the account you added where you can actually withdraw. So in case someone sends you money in dollars or pounds, whichever, this is your local account you're going to click on to withdraw. So now to find your USD or UK account, you need to quit and then re-log in. You need to sign in again so it can actually be refreshed. Your page can be refreshed. Okay, you need to sign in. You have to sign in to be able to see this your bank account. It's very important for majority of those that register. Okay, so now as you can see, it now looks different from what it looked like before. So now you just want to click on get paid. Okay, now you can see receiving account. You want to click on receiving account, and now no thanks. So and now you can see your UK bank account over here as well as your USA bank account over here. These are newly created accounts for your business. Okay, so in case you want to receive dollars, you want to receive pounds, whichever currency, you can actually use this. So as you can see, if I'm going to click on this, the details are actually going to come out. Okay, so these are the details I'm going to be using when I want to receive dollars. Probably I don't have I don't have a way of receiving dollars. So I can just use this, and immediately someone sends the money, it's actually going to land here in my Payoneer account. And then when you receive it here, you can see we have USD depending on what the person sends. So let's say now they've sent me USD dollars. Okay, so now all I want to do right now to withdraw it is just click on withdraw over here, and then you can see you already have your local Nigerian bank over here. Okay, so now you just want to click on select balance from my dollar account, and then okay, because I don't have any money inside my USD account, let's say I had even 10, so I'm just going to enter 10 over here. I can't enter anything because I have nothing inside. It's just a bot account. Okay, so as you can see here, you have 110,000 left to withdraw. That means you cannot pass this 110,000 for a month. You can't withdraw more than it, but you can withdraw less than it. So that's basically how you're going to withdraw. So you enter this, describe what you want to use it for, then immediately you click on review. Okay, cause I have no money inside this bot account, that's why. So basically immediately you click on review. From there you'll be able to withdraw your money, and it might actually take up to about a month or sometimes more than a month for you to actually receive this money. Okay,